in our individual prayer. In our congregational prayer, let's say Imam is in ruku' and you joined him, you never heard Surah Fatiha, but because Imam is representing you, it doesn't apply there, because that hadith has an addition in Sunan Abi Dawud, Book of Salah. Book of Salah, Sunan Abi Dawud, one of the 6 authentic collections, or famous authentic, mostly authentic collections of the Sunnah, or sayings of Prophet Muhammad and teachings, says that no salah behind without doing Surah Fatiha, except if you're behind an imam. Illa min wara'i imam is sahih, sahahahu Albani. So I gave you quick references of that. Don't play with Fatiha. I tell you, quiet moments of salah, even if you're in congregation, please do read Surah Al-Fatiha. I hope my Hanafi brothers, fellow students of knowledge will forgive me for that, but that's a reality. You know, when you're quiet, it's better to say something, when especially Dhuhr, Asr, quiet moments of the salah. So, alhamdulillah.